cleaning, you're removing organic load, general soils. Disinfecting is actually that higher level using a hospital-grade disinfectant to remove or inactivate viruses and bacteria. There are consumer products that you can get that are almost as effective as our professional products. All these products are going to be registered by the EPA that have specific directions on how long they have to remain wet, how they're applied, and what surfaces they can be used on. You can have the best cleaning product, but if you don't know how to apply it, you're going to be ineffective. So disinfection can be done at home if they have the right products. And again, that's following not only the type of product being used, but following the recommended dwell times as set up by the EPA. Basic hand protection is always good. These are hospital-grade nitrile gloves. They're disposable gloves. You find them in most stores today. Microfiber cloths are probably one of the best things today. Those fibers have multiple surfaces and allow you to have a better contact as you're cleaning. I don't recommend sponges. Most people use a household sponge and it sits and it actually is a breeding ground for a lot of bacteria. So using something you can dispose of if at all possible, disposable wipes, disposable cloths, otherwise use microfiber. Think about basic cleaning. Keep your hands washed, washing down those high-touch surfaces in your kitchen, in your family rooms. Practicing basic hygiene is what's going to continue to break this cycle and reduce the virus spread.